problem with graphing. As you can see here, I have an objective function z equals to 10x plus 10y, and I also have some constraints, 5 of them. The first thing that you need to do is to graph the lines that correspond to these inequalities and to these inequalities of the constraints. I have done that on the right side of the screen, and as you can see, the yellow line is x plus y is greater or equal to 150. The gray line is 25x minus 10y greater or equal to 250. The blue line is y is greater or equal to 0, and the light blue line is x greater or equal to 0, while the orange line is 5x minus 8y greater or equal to 200. Okay, once you graph all the lines, you find the region that is in between those lines. And this is the shaded region that you can see here on your graph. So, this is the area of all the feasible solutions for the problem. Some of them are going to be maximum solutions, one or more. The maximum solutions will always appear on the right and top side of your region. So in this case, somewhere along the yellow line. What do you have to do in order to find which one is the maximum solution? Okay, what you need to do is take your objective function z equals to 10x plus 10y and substitute different numbers for z, like 10 equals to 10x plus 10y, or 100 equals to 10x plus 10y, or 1000 equals to 10x plus 10y. All these different functions, linear functions, are going to give you different lines that they are all parallel. Some of them will cross the region, some of them will not. So, for example, you may have a line that is somewhere here, or you may have a line that is somewhere here. The first line doesn't cross the region anywhere. There is no intersection with the region, so it cannot give you any maximum solution. While this one, it does cross the region in several points, infinite number of points across the line, and these can be solutions. But since they are not anywhere on the top and right side of the region, they are not going to be maximum solutions. The maximum solutions, you expect them to be anywhere on the yellow line, somewhere on the yellow line. Now, how do you find those? Okay, what you need to do is to try different numbers for z. This will give you different lines. One of those lines will cross the yellow line at some point. Okay, this is the line that you want. For this specific problem, though, if we try different solutions for z, different numbers for z, we are going to get different lines. One of those lines is the one that you see right here, and this line is going to be the objective value that we want. 1500 equals to 10x plus 10y. I tried this one, and this gives me the green line that you can see right here. As you can see, the green line actually doesn't cross the yellow line, it collapses with the yellow line. Look at that. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that along the green line, you are going to find some, maybe more than one, possibly more than one, maximum solutions. You need to try now numbers. So you find always your solution is going to be to the right side and on top. So you have to start with the right value right here and plug in the x and the y coordinate of this point to your objective function. So it's going to be 1500 equals to 10 times x equals 0, x equals 150, plus 10y, where the y is equal to 0. If you do that, the value that you get is 1500. Okay, now you have to try another point somewhere. Okay, let's try this point right here, that has x equals to 100, y is equal to 50. If you plug in those values, again you get 1500. So now this gives you an indication that is possibly the maximum solution. Then you try again different values, you come to the next orange point right here where the x is 50 and the y is 100. This again gives you 1500. Now if you take any point right here, let's say that you take a point, any point on that. Let's take this point where the y is equal to 140 probably and the x is 0, it gives you a smaller number. It gives you 1400. So the values that you want are along in between those orange points. So all the values, all these points along the green line that you see right here are going to maximize the objective function. And these are your solutions. So your final solution for z is 1500, and you have infinite number of points anywhere between x equals 50 and x equals 150 will give you this objective value.